Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to change stores. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscriptions on your iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to change your country or region for your Apple ID and you're facing this type issue that you cannot change your country or region, you have subscribed to anything. It might be your Apple Music, your Apple TV, or any other subscriptions. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there's a simple way. You have to first cancel your all subscriptions, and then you can easily change country or region in your app store. So first of all, you have to open your settings here, and you very first you have to double check your network connection, and you have to also check your VPN connection that it would not connect to any VPN. Then tap on your Apple ID from here, and you just have to select the subscriptions option, and you have to look for any subscriptions if you have on your iPhone. So here you'll find your subscriptions. If you have any subscribing, especially Apple Music and Apple TV, so you have to unsubscribe them first or delete all subscriptions from here. And once you have done, you have to go back, open your App Store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your Apple ID, and then you might have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select country or region option. Now you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So once you find, select that, then select continue option, then tap on the green in the top right corner. Now you have to add your payment method here. If you have any payment method, you can easily add it here. If you don't have, select the none option and then enter these information about yourself. Then tap on done in the top right corner, and your country or region will be successfully changed in your Apple ID or in your App Store. So in this way, you should fix. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.